So I just put the mesh in between the chenille stems and twist 2 times. Next video, I will show you how I did the twisties. And then I'm gonna cut the excess off. You need a good pair of scissors. Then I'm gonna measure. I typically measure 12 inches. And then I make a poof. And then I'm doing the outer ring first. And then I'm gonna come in and do the inner ring. 12 inches. Make a poof, tie twice. Show you that again. 12 inches. Make a poof, tie. Okay, once I finished the poofs, you cut the end. So now we're gonna cover that up and we're gonna poof it, or to arrange it to where it looks. I'm gonna stretch them out. You come inside and you just grab the ends and pull each one. You see that little part that gets hidden, you won't see it once you put ribbons and things on it, so don't worry about that. And then you just make it how you like it. And this is on a Dollar Tree square wreath form. Tuck that under and pull. Okay, see how pretty that is?